Okay, here we are. We've all seen that video, or if you haven't seen the video, of that genius man who has an awesome way of cutting the watermelon. So let's see if it really works. Here you go, Missy. Alright, so I've already cut it in half. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's try this out. Okay. Clearly, he had a better knife than I did. We're gonna make this work, though. And I know what you're all thinking, oh, your hand's getting all over it. Well, guess what? I'm the only one eating it. So I don't care. Oh, God. We need some music in the background. Like a little starship or something. A little starship, maybe. I already said that. All I can think about right now is watermelon. Okay. Here goes nothing. Oh, come on. Ooh. Ooh-wee. It's working-ish. Oh, boy. You know, better luck on the other half. Man, it's just slid right out. That wasn't his first time. It couldn't have been his first time doing it. Let's see again. Alright. Yes. Success. Ish. Oh, man. I think I better give up. I don't care how it's cut. It's delicious. Alright, let's see how this one. Yes! Success! Yes! Right, well, way better, at least. Right. And there you have it. Practice makes perfect. Enjoy your watermelon, kids. Mmm.